Yes.
Mr. Dietos, your attorney and the prosecutor popped in and they asked for this to be set for Friday at 11 a.m. So I set this over to Friday at 11 a.m. and we'll have you back at that time, all right?
Okay.
All right, thank you, Mr. Dietos. If you could let them know that I would like, let's see, Mr. Walker next, that would be great.
All right.
All right, thank you. All right, okay, so Ms. Hennigan, you were next, and then I have Mr. Sala. Who did you represent again?
Yes, my client is in the hall. I can bring her in when you're ready, but Mr. Fleming was on this case.
Who's your client?
Ms. McGrath.
Ms. McGrath. All right, go get your client. There she is. All right, I have a gentleman on a Samsung. I'm going to send you a request to unmute your device. All right. Oh, you're laying down. Why don't y'all sit up? Sit up. There you go. What is your name? I'm going to ask you to unmute. Yep, what's your name? Say it again.
Governing Tyndall.
I'm sorry, I kept talking over you. I'm so sorry.
Tyndall.
Yep, I got it. I got it. So give me just a second. And Mr. Murphy is your attorney. And I think, all right. So Mr. Tyndall, I'm going to change your screen name so I know who you are. And Mr. Murphy is your attorney. So I'm going to change your screen name and I'm going to pop you in the waiting room and I'll bring you back in a few minutes. All right. This
Your Honor, can I hop over to Mr. Judge Oldsaber's court? He's got someone in person that he wants.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
That's what they always say and they never do it, but you're more than welcome to go. All right. Okay, so now I have Ms. Hennigan and let's see here. All right, so this,
Your Honor.
this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Cheryl Lynn McGrath, file number 22-21044FH. I have Christopher Fleming appearing on behalf of the people, and I have Tamaris Hennigan. Are you appearing on her behalf or on behalf of Mr. Daly on her behalf?
I'm appearing on her behalf, Your Honor. I filed a substitution.
Okay. So I'm gonna write your name in.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
We haven't received a substitution yet. Have you received all the discovery from Mr. Daly?
I have received, I believe I have everything, Mr. Fleming. They put it on zip drives and everything for us, so I believe I have the full file.
Perfect.
Okay, so this is the date and time set for pretrial. We are scheduled for trial on May 23rd at 9 a.m. Are you ready to go to trial?
We are not, Your Honor. Mr. Fleming and I've been chatting this morning. He said he does not have an objection to adjourning the trial if the court will allow. He's also provided me with an offer this morning that I hope to be able to discuss with Ms. McGrath later today. It'll kind of be a lot to the process, but we'll speak about it. So we are asking for the trial to be adjourned out.
Okay, so this is a felonious assault with a tractor which carries a maximum penalty of up to 4 years as well as a 5-year. Hasn't the offer been made?
This morning, yes, Mr. Fleming did make an offer to me. I
Okay.
have not had opportunity to discuss that
Okay.
yet.
All right, so I will take the trial off the docket. And you wanted just a pretrial?
Yes, could we get a new pretrial, Your Honor?
No trial date, just a pretrial?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so I will set this for June 14 at 8:30 in the morning. Are you available that day?
The people
Yeah, Your
are.
Honor, I have another.
Okay,
pretrial that day.
June 21 at 8:30 in the morning.
Yes.
All right, so I will set another pretrial for June 21 at 8:30 in the morning. You've already filed your appearance?
Yes, Your Honor. I have.
Okay. So,
Mr. Fleming, I'll make sure that another copy comes over to you of the substitution.
okay,
Perfect.
and then
Thank you,
if
Ms.
you
Eddie.
could do a stipulation in order to adjourn the pretrial.
Yes, Your
Mr.
Honor.
Fleming, can she sign your name with permission?
Absolutely, Judge.
All right, so ma'am, we'll see you back on that day, and anything else, Ms. Hennigan?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, very good, thank you all.
Congratulations on your horse.
Okay, so, who do I have from the jail?
My name is Richard Walker.
All right, so the room's pretty wonky in there, so, for sound, so if you could scoot up a little bit, and, you're Mr. Walker?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Barton, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Blake Anthony William Barton, file number 23-21272FH. We have George Truchon appearing on behalf of Mr. Barton today, and I have Alexander Bayonetto appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for pretrial. So I see the plea offer in this matter was plead as charged to count 1, which is a 5-year. This is the date and time set for pretrial. So Mr. Truchon, how do you want to proceed today?
Your Honor, if I can ask the court a few questions. Obviously, this is a first impression for me. I'm just filling in for Mr. Murphy today.
Yes, sir.
I see this is a third offense OWI case, and you're indicating there has been no offers other than plead as charged.
So, so I have Mr. Bayonetto, correct me if I'm wrong, I have as charged count 1, 5-year felony. So if he were to plead to count 1, operating while intoxicated, which is 3rd year with the 3rd offense felony notice, it's a 5-year felony. Count 2, as well as his habitual offender, would be dismissed. Is that correct, Mr. Bayonetto?
That's correct, Your Honor, yes.
Okay. So the count 2 driver's license suspended, which is a misdemeanor, would be dismissed, as well as the habitual offender second offense notice. So instead of a 7.5-year felony, it would remain a 5-year.
I understand. Your Honor. Right now, as it sits today, Your Honor, I would ask that in fact, Mr. Murphy's been dealing with this, and because there's not much of a reduction in regard to the 3rd offense, I would want Mr. Barton to have the opportunity to speak with Mr. Murphy about an absolute resolution in regard to this. So I would ask in the court's deference if you could set this over just for a short time. Mr. Murphy is back Monday, Your Honor.
Okay. So my next available is June 21. So Mr. Barton, I will set this
Yes.
over for another pretrial on June 21 at 8:30 in the morning, and that'll be via Zoom, same number you called today, and I'll continue your bond conditions as well as your not guilty plea. All right?
Okay,
If
one
I could-
question I do have, I've been talking with Darren Coates the pretrial service guy. He said to bring up in my court case today, as I was put on the alcohol tether because I was letting my sober link die too many times. I was just wondering if there was any way I could get put back on that sober link. I'll make sure it stays charged. It's just, I'm a single father. I'm a full-time dad, and I can't afford the extra $35 a week right now. On top
So-
of everything else, if I could get put back on the sober link, the normal breathalyzer, that thing's like $35 cheaper than what they have me on now. It would help me out majorly.
All right, Miss Adams. Miss Adams, could you have Mr. Coast zoom in?
Judge, he is not available today. I'm sorry.
Okay, so I'm gonna guess that I didn't do the order switching over. So because that was at his discretion per your discussions with
Yeah,
him.
he did because
So-
I just kept letting it
Okay,
die.
so I'm going to speak with Mr. Coast.
Okay.
And see if we can do that. And if we can, he'll let you know, all right?
Awesome. I appreciate it. But thank you very much, Your Honor.
Anything else, Mr. Truchon?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Appreciate the indulgence.
Yeah, and let me make this note. You want it back on Silverlink?
Yes, the breathalyzer, the twice a day that I was originally on.
All right, I got a Post-it note there, so I will remember. And we'll see you back then on your next pretrial on June 21 at 8:30. So thank you, Mr. Barton.
Thank you. I'm writing that down right now. I appreciate it, Your Honor, and have a wonderful day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Randy Kiefer, you're on Kiefer, right?
I am there.
So I haven't seen Mr. Kiefer this morning. He is not logged in and he has not shown up. So, Wiki and hold on. Okay, so we have all right, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Randy Kiefer, file number 2023-21302FH. I have George Truchon appearing on behalf of Mr. Kiefer, and I have Isaac Steen appearing on behalf of the people. So Mr. Truchon, Mr. Kiefer is neither in my waiting room, the jail, or in the courtroom, but I do have an active bench warrant that was filed on April 21 of 23. Mr. Kiefer failed to drug test on April 10, April 14, and April 18. At this time, he has missed 6 consecutive screens, but tested positive on April 7. He does have an active bench warrant and he has failed to appear. So I will also issue a bench warrant on the file itself for failure to appear and set bond in the amount of $75,000 cash. He is charged with possession of a loaded firearm and delivery manufacturing. So if you're able to reach him, we would love to see him.
I will go right after being with you, Your Honor, in regard to this, go right to the office and make them aware of proper notification.
Now, who else do you have?
The only other one I have, Your Honor, is a Timothy Merritt.
Right, and Mr. Merritt's at the jail. So, Mr. Walker, I do apologize. Your attorney said she was going next door for 1 minute and it never is just one moment. So could you ask them if I could switch you out for Mr. Merritt? And then I'll bring you back in after Mr. Merritt. I appreciate that. So give us just a minute.